The wait is finally over because Meizu has confirmed that its next flagship, the Meizu 22, is set to launch on September 15 in Zhuhai, China. After months of leaks and speculation, we now have the official details straight from the company, and this one looks like a serious contender in the flagship market. Before we dive deeper into the specs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay tuned for more tech updates just like this. Meizu is aiming for what it calls the golden balance when it comes to size, with a 6.32-inch display that blends compact form with immersive visuals. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8th Gen 4 platform, a chipset designed to handle gaming and heavy multitasking with ease. The company has tuned this phone specifically for gaming stability, which makes it especially appealing for performance-focused users. Now, where things get even more interesting is Meizu's focus on long-term reliability. The Meizu 22 comes with AI-driven one-mind optimization, TV Rainland 72-month fluency certification, and recognition for S-grade gaming smoothness. That means you can expect this device to stay fast and consistent even after years of use, something that not every flagship can confidently promise. To handle intense performance demands, the phone also packs a massive 4,500 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system. That's one of the largest cooling solutions for its size category, ensuring that the Meizu 22 can maintain stable performance under heavy load without throttling. Gamers and power users are going to love this. Cameras are another highlight here. On the front, you get a 50-megapixel Omnivision OV50D sensor, which already sets the bar pretty high for selfies and video calls. But the rear setup is where Meizu really flexes its muscles. A triple lens array with a 50-megapixel OIS-enabled Omnivision OV50H main camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto lens with OIS support, and a 50-megapixel Omnivision OV50D ultrawide camera. This setup is built for versatility, whether you're capturing landscapes, zoom shots, or day-to-day photos. Of course, Meizu isn't just relying on the hardware. The Meizu 22 comes packed with AI imaging tools, like one-click filter extraction, that can instantly create unique visual effects. For creators and casual users alike, that makes photography and video editing a lot more seamless and fun, with less time spent tweaking settings. Design has always been a big part of Meizu's identity, and the 22 doesn't disappoint. The phone weighs just 190 grams, is 8.15 mm thick, and measures 71 mm across, making it slim, compact, and comfortable to hold. The front display uses a 2.5D slight curve, while the back has a 3D curve, giving it a balanced in-hand feel that feels both premium and ergonomic. What really sets the Meizu 22 apart, though, is its attention to detail. It features an innovative floating back cover and a perfectly symmetrical design with 0.8 mm uniform bezels. And here's something unique, it's the only flagship on the market right now with a white bezel panel. That instantly makes it stand out from the sea of black bordered phones we're so used to seeing. The launch event is going to be more than just a phone reveal, too. Meizu is expected to introduce some new ecosystem products alongside the 22, which could signal a bigger push into creating a connected device family. For those invested in the brand or curious about alternatives to the big players, this could be the start of something very interesting. With all these specs and features, the Meizu 22 is shaping up to be a strong competitor in the flagship category, offering a rare balance of compact design, powerful performance, and standout cameras. The official launch is just around the corner, and it'll be exciting to see how it stacks up against rivals once it hits the market. Don't miss out on more updates like this. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so you're always in the loop with the latest in tech.